knowledge about basic statistics. Before we proceed to our topic, we are the Group 10, and I am Elderain B. Malate.
And I am Adrian P. Advincula.
And I am Alvina Yepes.
And I am Daniel Frank Evan B. Morante.
And I am Chris Rosme Pilanza.
And we are from 11 TVLA. So our topic is all about parameter and statistic. So first, do you have any clue what is parameter is it? And what about statistic? No clue? Alright, let's start with the parameter. A parameter is a measurement or quantity that describes a characteristic of population. While the statistic is a measurement or quantity that describes sample.
And the parameter has 3 steps in solving. And the steps are, first is population mean, and second is population variance, and third is population standard deviation. And here's the formula of population mean, which is the mean equals summation of x over n. And here's the formula of population variance, which is the sigma squared equals summation times x minus n squared over n. And third is population standard deviation, which is the formula is sigma equals square root of summation times x minus n squared over n.
And next is the statistics. The statistics has 3 steps in solving, and the steps are sample mean, sample variance, and sample standard deviation. And the formula for sample mean is summation of x over n. And the formula for sample variance is sigma squared summation of x minus bar x squared over n minus 1. The formula for sample standard deviation is equals S equals square root of summation of x minus bar x squared over n minus 1.
Here's the problem example of parameter. The following are the score of the student in quiz 5, 6, 3, 1, 4, 8. So first, we will compute the population of means. Here's the formula. Means equals the summation of x over n. So here's the given number 5, 6, 3, 1, 4, 8. So we will add the given number 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8 equals 27. So let's count the given number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our n is 6. Then 27 divided by 6 equals 0.45. So our population of means is 4.5. So next, we will compute the population of means. So here's the formula. Sigma squared equals the summation of x minus mean raised to 2 over n. Since our population of means is 4.5, we will put here in the population of variance. So 5 minus 4.5 raised to 2 plus 6 minus 4.5 raised to 2 plus 3 minus 4.5 raised to 2 plus 1 minus 4.5 raised to 2 plus 4 minus 4.5 raised to 2 plus 8 minus 4.5 raised to 2. So our population of variance is sigma 4.92. Last, we're going to solve the population of standard deviation. So since our population of variance is 4.92, we're going to put here in the population of standard deviation sigma equals to square root of 4.92. So the final answer is 2.22.
Let's break down calculating the sample mean step by step using the data set 5, 6, 3, 1, 4, and 8. Step 1. List down all the data points. First, write down all the data points provided. Step 2. Count the number of data points or the n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this case, n equals 6. Step 3. Sum the data points. Add up all the data points. 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8 equals to 27. So here's the formula we're gonna use to solve the sample mean. Bar x equals summation of x over n. Step 4, divide by the number of data points. Divide the sum of data points from step 3 by the number of data points from step 2. So now, we're gonna use the formula, and that's gonna be 57 over 6. So now, we're gonna solve the sample mean. And we're gonna use the formula, bar x equals summation of x over n. And now, we're gonna plus all of the given numbers. 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8, that's gonna be 27. So now, we're gonna count all of the given numbers, and that's gonna be our n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is our n. So next, let's divide 57 divided by 6 equals 4.5. So 4.5 is our sample mean. Now, let's solve the population variance. Step 1, calculate the deviations from the mean. We're going to use the formula x minus bar x. So here's the results of the deviations. So now, we're going to solve for the sample variance. And we're going to use the formula sigma squared equals summation of x minus bar x raised to 2 over n. So 5 minus 4.5 raised to 2 plus 6 minus 4.5 raised to 2 plus 3 minus 4.5 raised to 2 plus 1 minus 4.5 raised to 2 plus 4 minus 4.5 raised to 2 plus 8 minus 4.5 raised to 2 equals to 29.5. Since our n is 6, we're gonna put 6. So now, we're gonna divide 29.5 divided by 6 equals to 4.92. So our sample variance is 4.92. So now, let's solve the sample standard deviation. Since our sample variance is 4.92, we're gonna square it 4.92. So the square root of 4.92 is 2.22. So our sample standard deviation is 2.22.